How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can lower file size in Metal TV. So if you have recorded a lot of clips and it's taking a lot of space onto your computer, it's basically time to lower down the file size of each recording. Basically, to do that, you want to navigate through the gear icon. It's going to be below your screen right here. Click the quality option, and basically to lower down the file size, what we have to do is to tone down the quality of our recordings. So I suggest choosing the custom option. In here, if you really want to make a difference, I suggest choosing something like Full HD, or if you're already on Full HD and you want to make it even lower, you want to make this 720p. From there, instead of using 60, you could use 30 or 24. It will not make a lot of difference in terms of recording, and I suggest just choosing the 30 FPS. For the frame rate mode, select VFR. The bitrate is going to be somewhere between 10M below, and for the video encoder, you could just select GPU. And basically, if you want to lower it even further, you could select something like medium if all your goal was to capture emergency clips, not the quality itself. And from there, you'll be able to lower down the size in Metal TV. You could also delete some clips that you don't basically use. For example, I have a lot of clips right here ready to be edited. So what I can do is to just click on this three dots, click the delete button, and then I could delete it permanently, basically freeing up space on Metal TV. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.